Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be installing something on the BRZ, which I got from Mishimoto. So if you look at the BRZ's front, there's something missing. And if you guess the license plate, you are right. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I could install it here like a normal person, but I got this, which is the Mishimoto license plate relocation kit. And in the box you get a tow hook thingy where you're supposed to put it on, the license plate holder, and some hardware. If you're wondering where this goes, it's gonna go right here where the tow hook usually goes. And we gotta take off this tab and this tab right here for us to access and put on the license plate relocation kit. To remove the tab, you need a microfiber cloth and a flathead screwdriver. So there's a tab right here. You want to be careful. Put this inside and just pull it out. And there you go. It was a little bit scary, man. So that's out. There you go. You want to be really careful and make sure you use a microfiber cloth to get this out. And you just want to pull this out from here. So we got the cover out, and as you can see, the tow hook hole is right there. So we're gonna put this in, screw it in. So I just hand tightened that, and now we're gonna put on this plate. This is a 16 socket that you want to use. Tighten it up, and that's going to tighten the tow hook in the back too. And there we go, guys. That's the Mishimoto license plate relocation kit, and I personally like it a lot. I never had the side plate on any of my cars, so it looks good on this. And now it's somewhat even because we got the TS sign right there, Subaru in the middle, and then we got the license plate on the left side. So a little balanced. Alright guys, that's it for today. That was the first mod on the BRZ. I did get an exhaust for it, so stay tuned for that. We're going to be putting it on real soon. See you guys in the next one. Peace.